Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to increase your refresh rate on Safari on your iPhone. Currently, when you're on Safari, it refreshes at the rate of 60 Hertz. Using this secret setting, we can actually increase that to 120 Hertz, really increasing the speed of your phone. Check this out. The first thing that you'll do is you'll go to your settings and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to select apps. From apps, these are in alphabetical order. We're going to go down to the S's and we're going to click on our Safari. Once we're at Safari, scroll down to the bottom and we'll click Advanced. Once you've clicked Advanced, we'll go down and we're going to get Feature Flags. Now these are in alphabetical order as well. We're going to go down to the P section. You will see Prefer Page Rendering Updates near 60. All we need to do is toggle this off, and now we've increased our Hertz to 120 on Safari. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.